Hi, this is James from MHN PR and Internet Marketing. I'm here today to provide a little bit of a refresher course to some of our clients. I've gotten a lot of requests recently for how to edit their websites. I know, as standard practice, we always train our clients before we hand the website over for how to make basic edits and how to use the site. But I guess it's a good thing now that the economy is getting better and people are getting back in the mood to create their websites again. I am happy to help. So what we're going to do here is we're going to show you how to edit an article and how to also create a new article and put it on the menu. What we're looking at right here is just a default Joomla installation. Your website certainly looks different, but it functions pretty much the same way in the back end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an article right here called Hello World. And to do that, we're going to go to the back end of the site. And this is simply yourdomainname.com/administrator. And of course, yourdomainname.com is whatever your domain name is. So let's put in, and here we are at the back end of the site. This is a Joomla 1.5.15 installation, which at the time of me doing this is the most current. If your site is not up to date, then let me know and I'd be happy to work on it to get it back up to date and fix any security problems that may have been discovered over the past since we created your site for you. So let's go to content. We're going to go to article manager. And let's see here. I'm just going to show you first how to edit an article. You can see all these different articles right here. Simply the title, whether or not it's published, whether or not it's on the front page, the ordering, the access level, and if it's uncategorized, there's going to be nothing in section or category, but if it's part of a section or category, mostly for like a blog, it would be listed right here. The author, the date it was created, number of hits, and the ID number. Because remember, Joomla is running on a database, so to the computer, all it really cares about is what the ID number is. So let's just click on that. And here we are. Now, if you wanted to add a new some new information for this, you just go and it's easy as cake. It's just like working in Word. You have bold, italics, underline. Now, I recommend that you ignore most of these things. You can certainly override the styling if you want. But for the most part, if you want something as a header, let's go and select heading 2. And that's just going to format it. The benefit of that is that it's the same format throughout the entire site. Now, if you're going to be copying something from Word, don't just copy it right into the site. Click on here. And you just copy it in right that. Okay, the next step we're going to do is I'm going to show you there's a spell checker, and there's an image editor, so you can put an image in there. So let's go edit, insert image, and I'm just going to pick the first image there. This image is called articles.jpg. When you click on it, pre-populates the exact URL for where it is on your system, the alternative text, the dimensions, the alignment. For this article, we're going to make it left. As you can see over here in the preview, it gives you a preview of roughly what it looks like. If you want to make it right, you can make it right, middle, bottom, but I'm going to go over to make it a left. If you want some margin around so it doesn't bump right up into the text, by default this is set up so you put the same margin all the way around. And I'm going to leave that way for right now. But if you wanted to make it so it's 5 left, 5 on top, and 10 on the right, and whatever, just unclick that and enter the values. If you want to put a border on here, we can put a border. Let's put a 2-pixel border, and let's go funky. Let's make it grooved, and we'll make that. What should we make that? Make it a blue border today. Well, that's just great. Okay, now you got a image with a border. Let's hit insert, and there we go. Now don't worry too much about how it shows here on the article, because it might display differently on the site. So let's hit apply. Okay, I'm going to go check the site, and I'm going to search for it. Alrighty, and see there's our image, and it does look a little bit out of order on here. Sometimes, depending on the template, you'll see different things. Let's go back over here, hit enter, and bring it down there so it's nice, and let's edit that a little bit too. There we go. Hit apply. Go back to our site. Oop. And as you can see, it's not quite right yet. Enter again, and now it should be perfect. Waiting for it to load or save, and let's wait for it to load. There you go. And that's how you edit a site, edit a page. Real simple, real straightforward. So let's hit save. Now I'm going to create a new article. And we're going to call this Hello World. I'll make it uncategorized. And I'm going to save it. Okay, now we've saved the article. I'm going to go put it on the menu. We're just going to put it in the main menu for right now, just to show you what it looks like. So we're back at the main menu. I'm going to click New. And there's lots of options here. We're going to click on Article. And we're going to go to Article Layout. And we're just going to put in a Hello World test. As you can see, you can have a different topic, a different title for a menu item than it is for the actual article you're going to be linking to. And that allows you to customize things so you can have a shorter menu item than you would the article. In this case, it's actually the opposite, but hey, this is just a demo. So I selected the article, and we're going to leave everything the way it is. Hit apply. And go back to the front page of the site, and if everything is functioning properly, there we go. Hello World test. It's right there. Easy as cake. And that's about it. And next time I'll be showing you more about how to use modules. Have a great day, and if you have any other questions, feel free to email me, james@mhnpr.com.